In PM permutation combination, the first is counting principle. The whole chapter works on counting principle. Permutation and combination. We write P and C. In short, we say P and C. P and C means permutation and combination. Okay, first point is the counting principle. How to count? How to count? That's what I'm teaching you. There are two words, and, or. Imagine this is Mira Road station. This is Borivali station. This is Andheri. I can travel from Mira Road to Borivali either by bus or I can take a rickshaw or I can travel by bus means BST, okay? Then either by rickshaw or I can use my own car. Okay, from Borivali to Andheri, either you can take train, you can take the BST bus, you can travel by your own car, or you can also go by cycle. Bicycle. Imagine this way. So from Mira Road to Borivali, I can travel in 3 ways. From Borivali to Andheri, I can travel in 4 ways. How many different ways I can travel from Mira Road to Borivali and Borivali to Andheri? Mira Road to Borivali and Borivali to Andheri.
12.
Okay, so look at the first method. We'll count. First, he takes a bus from Mira Road to Borivali. Then he takes a train. This is the first method. Second, takes a bus and again bus. Then he take a bus and a car. Then he take a bus and a cycle. So Mira Road to Borivali, he travel by bus. And how many options he has this side? 4 options. For one bus, you have 4 options. One rig, 4 options. One car, 4 options. So how many will be there? 3 times 12. This is what counting principle says. If an event A can be done in M ways, event B can be done in N ways, then event A and B can be done in how many ways?
M into N ways.
Into N ways. This is what is called counting principle. Now imagine the same thing I'm going to explain to another way. A person is standing at Borivali station and he gets a call saying, either you go to Mira Road or to Andheri. What he says? Go from Mira Road to Borivali or, sorry, Borivali to Mira Road or Borivali to Andheri. So he has an option. Either he can go from Borivali to Mira Road or he can go from Borivali to Andheri. How many ways he can go this? Do this? Borivali to Mira Road?
3 ways.
This can be done in 4 ways. So how many ways he can travel Borivali to Mira Road or Borivali to Andheri?
7.
Either he can go 1, 2, 3 ways to Mira Road, or he can go 4 ways to Andheri. So total, how many ways he can go?
7.
4, 7 ways. So what have you noticed? If the word is or, you need to add, and if the word is and, you need to multiply.
Multiply.
And stands for multiplication, and or stands for addition. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down the
Yes, sir.
write the heading permutation combination. Write the subheading counting principle. Written. heading of the chapter, permutation and combination, subheading, counting principle. So today I'm teaching you counting principle. If an event A can be done in M ways, and an event B can be done in N ways, then event A and B can be done in M into N ways. Event A or B can be done
M plus N ways.
in M plus N ways. A cricket team has 11 players. How many ways we can select a captain and a vice captain? There is no restriction who is better player, nothing. Imagine P1, P2, P3, P11 players are there. Tell me,
22?
let's see. How many ways captain can be selected? Any of the 11 players can be selected as captain. So 11 ways you can get captain. How many ways you can select vice captain?
11 ways, sir, because there are 11 players.
But one problem. One who is a captain cannot be vice
That is
captain.
already
Yes,
selected.
sir.
One will be the
So,
captain, so you have
so
to
we
get 10
can-
ways.
10 ways. Do you agree with that?
yes, sir.
The time you selected the captain,
Yes, sir.
then there are only 10 options for us. So captain and the vice captain can be selected by how many ways? 11
11,
into 10
10,
and 10 ways.
100.
Do you agree with this? Or
110.
Yes, sir.
ways, a number of
Yes, sir.
selections of 110. This is by mathematics. But logically, is it correct or wrong? By logic, is it correct or wrong? Imagine P1 became captain.
Wrong.
P2 became vice captain. This is one method. P1 became captain, P3 became vice
P3
captain.
became, yeah.
Like this,
P1,
P1, P11.
P11.
So how many options I had? How many options I've written on the board? P2 to P11, there are 10 options. Do you agree? Then
Yes,
P2 became captain, P1 became vice captain.
I will get only 9
Became
percentages.
captain, P3 became vice captain. No, P2 cannot become vice again. Like this, P2 with P11. How many cases are there like this downward? How many cases are there? P1, P3, P4, P5.
Sir, 9.
11. 10 cases, no?
10 cases.
So actually one will get repeated, no? Later
No
also.
repetition. Which one? Here P1 is captain.
Not repeated.
Here Sachin Tendulkar is captain and
Okay.
Kohli is
Later,
vice captain.
okay.
The reverse. Kohli became
Yeah.
captain and Sachin Tendulkar vice captain. Do you understand? So they are both
Yes, yes.
not same. Then P3 became captain, P1 became vice captain. Like this. P3, P.
10 cases.
Like this, if I continue, I'll have P11 with P1, P11 with P2, like this, P11 with P10.
P10.
You agree with that? So
Yes,
how
sir.
this way I will be having 11, P1, P2, P3 captain, P4 captain, P11 captain. This way 11 and this way 10. So
10.
total number of options that I've written is 11 into 10, 110. Is it clear?
Yes,
What I
sir.
mean is the reality,
Yes, sir.
not a mathematics, just mathematics. So the total number of options, total number of counting that you can do of selecting a captain and a vice captain from 11 players is 11 into 10, 110 ways. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next
Yes,
question. Right. There are 5 prizes to be distributed to 10 students. A student can get only 1 prize. That means one who got first prize cannot get second prize again. tell me how many ways. First, you will tell me how many ways first price can be given, how many ways second price can be given, how many ways third price can be given, how many ways fourth price can be given, how many ways fifth price
Yes,
can be.
First prize
prize can be
given
10
for
students.
5 students.
5 into
students.
3, 5 into 4 into.
1 minute. First price in 10 ways. Do you agree with this statement?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Second
9.
price, how many ways?
9 ways.
9 ways. Third price,
8
8
ways.
ways.
8.
8
and fourth
ways.
price,
7 ways.
7,
7 ways. Fifth price,
6.
In
6.
6
6
ways.
ways.
6 ways. What will be the total number of distribution of the price? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Why I multiplied? Why not add?
Yes, sir.
Because all of the pricing will add, no?
I need to distribute first and second and third and fourth and fifth.
Yeah.
So total number of ways of distributing the price will be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now my next question to you. I am going to write digits in a card like this. Have you seen the old cricket board? I don't think so. Cricket scoreboard. If you watch very old cricket, like Indian team playing World Cup in 1982 with Kapil Dev as captain. If you see the scoreboard, the method of scoreboard is take this, numbers are written on a plates like this. And if I wanted to
Yes,
write
sir.
score is 105, I'll put a card of 1, then I'll put a card of 0, then I'll put a card of 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the score is 105. This was the method.
Yes, sir.
Maybe in your school
Yes,
also.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
So similar type example I'm giving you. I need to form 3-digit number. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? If, first question, repetition of digit is not allowed. Second question, repetition of digit is allowed. Can anybody tell me the answer?
6 into 5 into 4?
Repetition not allowed, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. This can be done in 6 ways. This is in 5. This is in 4. So 6 into 5 into 4 ways. So how much is the answer?
80, sir.
6 into 5.
120, sorry, 120. Whatever.
Now, if repetition of digit is allowed, what would be my
6
answer?
into 6 into 6.
6 into 6 into 6. Then digits can be repeated.
6 into 6 into 6. That is 216. All right. All of you agree with this question? Answer. Any doubt, anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now I'm going to put another
No,
digit.
sir.
0 I'm including. Now you tell me how many different ways I can arrange. If 0 is included, how many different ways I can make a 3-digit number if repetition of digit is allowed? Here what is repetition of digit is not allowed first. Tell me how many ways? What is this place known as? Hundreds place. This is called unit place. Sorry, tens place. And then unit place.
Certain hundreds place, you will get 6 numbers.
Yeah. In 100 place, I can put only 6 numbers. Everybody agree with this? But there are
Yes,
total
sir.
7 digits.
But 0 can't be
Zero
placed in
can't be
hundreds.
there.
Nah,
Otherwise,
sir.
there will be a
Zero
Then it
cannot
will be-
put in this place. So there are only 6 place. Now tens, repetition not allowed.
Tens is again 6.
Repetition of digit is
Yes,
not
sir.
allowed. So yeah, total 6, 7, total 7. Out of that, one number has come over here. That
Yes.
number cannot be
Yes, sir.
used again. So how many ways you can do it?
6.
Either you
6,
can
nah,
put
sir, including 0.
you can put 2, you can put 3, 4, 5, 6, but not the one put over here. So 6 ways. And this will be
Here,
5.
5.
So what will be your answer? 6 into 5, 30, 30 into 6,
36.
180.
180 days. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
repetition of digit allowed.
6
6 into 7 into 7.
Tell me. 6 into
6 into 7.
10 into 7. Do everybody
7.
agree with anybody having doubt? Please ask now.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everybody followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, second one.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav,
second-
बोलो ना.
Sir, second explain the second one again. Repeat digit aloud.
हाँ, कोई भी अभी जो नंबर इधर डाला है, समझो मैंने क्यों 6 इधर समझ में आया? 100 प्लेस में 6 डिजिट ही डाल सकते हैं, 1 डाल सकते हैं, 2 डाल सकते हैं, 3 डाल सकते हैं, 4 डाल सकते हैं, 5 डाल सकते हैं, 6 डाल सकते हैं, लेकिन 0 नहीं डाल सकते. अगर
Zero
0
नहीं
डाल दिया तो ये नंबर कितना हो गया? How much is this number?
2 digit.
Only
One,
2 digit. It will not be a 3 digit. It is 12. It is
Yes.
not.
Okay.
So 0 cannot come in the hundreds place. So 6 ways.
Okay. Okay.
अब
Okay.
जो डिजिट इधर डाला है वो इधर आ सकता है, जैसे कि 2 2 2
Yes, sir.
22 आ सकता है, तो इसलिए
Yes.
जो डिजिट इधर आ गया वो इधर फिर से आ सकता है. That is 7 ways.
Okay. Okay.
जो डिजिट इधर आ गया फिर से आ सकते हैं. So 7 ways.
Hmm.
All of you
Yes.
follow?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Now, did you notice one important thing? I started arranging from hundreds place. Can I start arranging from tens place instead of 100? पहला क्वेश्चन में कैसे भी चलेगा. When 0 was not there, I could have put anywhere first. I could have started arranging. I would have taken a number out of this and put it over here, 6 ways, then put it over here, 5 ways, then put it over here, 4 ways. I could have got the same answer. There will be no difference. But because there's a restriction in hundreds place, restriction समझ में आया? Limitation.
0.
सबको नहीं डाल सकते इधर, इसलिए 100 प्लेसेस से शुरू करना चाहिए. जिसमें रेस्ट्रिक्शन है उधर से अरेंजमेंट शुरू करना चाहिए. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me what did I explain just now?
So you
The
said that
arrangement of
when we have
position.
restriction.
Arrangement of position should start from the place
From there.
having restriction. Do you follow that? What did you just tell
Yes,
me
sir.
once again?
Yes, sir.
Arrangement of what? Place. Arrangement of place should start from where?
Where we have restrictions.
Where you have restriction. Okay, now you tell me how many even digit numbers can you form using these digits? How many of them are even if repetition is not allowed? How many of them are even digit? What is the speciality of even digit?
The units place, you should have a even number.
So how even there is a restriction on unit place?
Yes.
Yes.
There is also a restriction on hundreds place.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Why there's a restriction on hundreds place? You cannot
Because
put
0 can't come in hundreds
Zero.
place.
so unit place. What are the numbers can come?
4 numbers can come, sir.
0 can come, 2 can come, 4 can come, 6 can
6
come. Here 0 cannot come. Now tell me how many ways. You give me your answer. Who is going to try? Nirmay, chalo try karo. Nirmay, can you try this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. So first of all, in the unit place, so there are 4 possibilities. So 4 over there.
we have 4. Okay,
Here there are 4. In the hundreds place, 0 cannot be there. So it will be 6.
so 0 cannot be there.
6.
How many are there?
Possibilities. 6.
But that depends, no? समझो मैंने 0 इधर डाल दिया तो मेरे पास 6 पॉसिबिलिटी है.
Yeah.
समझो 2 डाल दिया इधर,
Hmm.
देन मेरे पास 5 पॉसिबिलिटी है. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
listen carefully. I have put 2 here. तो ये निकल गया, ये निकल गया. 0 भी इधर नहीं डाल सकते. So I have many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can do it.
5. I will.
Hmm.
समझो मैंने 0 डाल दिया, जो मैंने 0 डाल दिया इधर.
This is
Now I have 6 possibilities. 0 को छोड़ के बाकी ये 2 डाल सकते हैं. You
Yes.
understanding?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it depends on this whether number of cases that is happening here. Hence, we need to separate them into 2 parts. So I'm going to separate the unit even digit into two parts. The unit place is 0.
And unit place is not 0.
Unit place is 2, 4 or 6. अभी calculation करेंगे. Now, अंदर में you can continue
Yes,
answer me. Now I put 0 here.
Yes,
There's
zero.
only one method I can
Yes, sir.
use.
So it will be
And,
6 possibility.
Six
Yeah.
method- six
use.
method
This will be
clearly
6
cannot
possibility. And this will be out of
having
7. 2 are gone. So 5
Oh, no,
possibility.
okay.
5
Yeah, fine.
possibility.
So number of ways will be 30 ways.
30.
So 0 in unit place. That means what type of numbers? 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 5, 0,
Okay.
2, 2, 3, 0. Like this, numbers are 30. Now unit place is 2, 4 or 6. That means this can be arranged in three
5.
ways.
3 possibilities.
3 ways here. And what about this
5 over
possibility?
0.
Here it will be only 5. And what about this?
5.
Here? This
It will
will
be 4.
how many are gone? 1 gone here, 1 gone here out of 7, remaining 5 ways.
5.
So how
5
many?
into 5
25
into
to 3, 75 ways.
85 methods.
So total number of even will be
100.
30 plus 75, that is 100.
105.
105.
So if there is a restriction only in one place, directly you can arrange. Start arranging from the restriction. If there are restriction 2 places, and according to the one restriction, other changes, then you have to divide them into 2 categories, case 1 and case 2. Did you follow this clearly?
Yes, sir.
Now here I have repetition not allowed. I have taught you. Is it fine with you?
Yes.
Is it fine for everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going
Yes,
to
sir.
do the same question in a different method. Method 2. What I'll do is I'll calculate total number of digits, number of 3-digit numbers that I would have already done with you. Repetition not allowed. We are doing all question with repetition not allowed at present. So 3-digit total number of 3-digit numbers that I can form here is restriction is only in this hundreds place. So 6 ways. This is again 6, and this is 5. Do all of you agree?
5.
With me? So how much it became?
Yes, sir.
36 into 5, 180. Now total number of odd digits. Odd 3-digit. Odd numbers, not odd digit, odd numbers. So what is the speciality of odd numbers?
In units place, you should have an odd number.
Odd numbers 1,
1,
3, and 5.
5.
1, 3, or
2
5.
possibilities.
So we can do 3 ways.
3 ways, yeah.
6.
Now 0 cannot be put here. And whether I put 1 or 3 or 5 in this place, this number of cases will be same. Imagine I put 1 here. So if I put 1 here, which are the 2 digits not allowed to enter here?
0 and 1.
0 and 1.
One.
So how many possibilities are there?
5.
Any of these 5 can be put. So 5 ways. Suppose I had put 3. Then this cannot be put, but this can be put. So still it will be 5. Suppose I put 5. This 0 and 5 cannot be put. Remaining there are 5 digits. So always this will be 5. So there is no need of any cases here. Samjha ki nahi?
Yes, sir.
And here how many will be there?
6 ways.
6. Total how many are there? 7.
7.
One gone here. So 5 ways. So what is my answer? 75.
75.
So number of odd numbers are 75. Total number are 180. So how many even are there? So tell me now even digits. Number of even digit will be
105.
180 minus 75. That is equal to 105. This is the second method of doing the problem. Understood? Because odd digit do not have this problem of that 0 issue. So first you can calculate number of odd digits. Then you can calculate even digits. Arundhati, you need to speak to understand. Okay, these are all logical questions. If you don't speak out, I can't come to know what you don't understand. So speak out. First, I asked you total number of digits. Arundhati, you speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me how many total number of 3-digit numbers that you can form using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-digit
7.
number. You have to keep on telling me how many arrangements you can do. How many
Okay.
arrangements can you do? Where should I start from, first of all?
From the restriction.
I should start from
Restriction.
restriction 1. Which place is having restriction?
100.
100. So how many ways can you do this?
Uh,
I can put 1 year. I can put 2 year,
Uh.
3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year. So how many ways?
6.
How many? I didn't hear you. 6. How many year?
You're also 6.
6. How many year?
5.
5. So total became 180.
180.
Everybody followed this? Anybody in the class having a problem in understanding this?
No, sir.
So not this one, the next one.
Yeah. Total number of odd digits,
Odd digits.
odd numbers. Okay. 3-digit numbers here. So total number of odd numbers using the same digit and repetition not allowed. Odd numbers, what should be the numbers here?
1, 3, and 5.
So how many ways you can arrange this place?
3 ways.
3 ways. How many ways you can arrange this place? Now restriction was here. Now restriction here. What are the numbers that you cannot put here? You cannot put 0 here,
Yes.
right? Out of this 3, 1 you cannot put. Why? Out of 1, 3, 5, कोई एक तो इधर आप डाल दिया होगा.
Yes.
बाकी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो ये इतने में, ये 6 में एक डिजिट को छोड़ के बाकी, सो 0 नहीं हो सकता है, एक डिजिट नहीं हो सकता है, तो कितना नहीं हो सकता है? हो सकता है तो कितना?
5.
Then how many are left here? Out of
6.
7, 2 are gone. 1 year gone, 1 year gone. How much is left? In your
4.
hand, how many will be left? Only 5. So
Okay.
total number will be 75. So number of odd numbers would be 75. Total number of numbers is 180. So number of even numbers will be 180 minus 75, that is 105. Any student in the class not followed this question, please tell me. Aryan, तो उसको पूछेगा तो चुपचाप रहता है. Anybody in the class? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No.
Followed clearly?
Yes, sir. Followed.
Okay. I'm
Yes, sir.
pausing my recording for a minute. Recording started, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read the first question.
Yes, sir.
A teacher wants to select a class monitor from 30 boys and 20 girls. In how many ways can the monitor be selected if the monitor must be either a boy or a girl or a boy? What is the term connecting the
Or
or?
Or
How many
or-
girls are there? How many girls are there?
20.
20.
So how many girls monitor she wants? Only one monitor she wants.
One.
Right, yeah, but
So
20%.
how many ways girl monitor can be selected?
20 days.
20 ways, sir, because there are 20 girls.
How many ways boys monitor can be selected?
30.
30.
30.
How many ways girl or boy can be selected?
50.
50.
50.
Plus 30 equal to 50 ways.
50 ways.
Correct.
Hmm.
The same as selecting one student from 50 students, right or no?
Yes, sir.
So 50 ways you can do. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please write down. Read question number 2. A signal is generated by 2 flags by putting one flag above the other. Imagine one flag like this, another flag like this. Like in railway station, you must have seen the TC, the station master puts the flags to show the train moving, right?
Yes.
Or to
Yes.
stop. So imagine there are 2 flags. 4 flags of different color are available. So total number of flags available is 4 color.
4.
How many different signals can be generated? You mean, for example, if red up and white down, it means go, like that. This is one signal. Then white up, red down,
3.
another signal. Have you
Sir,
got
I
it?
think 12 possibilities are there.
Yes. The first flag can be arranged in 4 ways.
4 ways.
Second in 3
Second
ways.
flag.
3
There's no
ways.
restriction on anything other than that we have total only 4 colored flags. So once you use up the first one, then only 3 are remaining. So you have to put only 3 here, and the answer is 4 into 3, 12 ways. Is it fine with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can write the solution for that.
Yes, sir.
How many 2-letter words can be formed using? You have one card with S written on it. Another card is with a P written on it. Third card with A written on it. Fourth card with C written on it. Fifth card with E written on it. You have to form 2-letter word. That means that you have 2 spaces. If repetition of letter allowed, that means you can put it here. Yes,
25.
25.
25, sir.
yes, A, another word.
Repetition.
So
And
how
if
many
repetition is not allowed, then it's 25 into 4.
yeah, repetition allowed here. So 5 ways into 5. So total answer is 25 ways.
25.
And repetition not allowed, what will be my answer?
20, sir, because 5 into 4. Then second place, you will have only 4 numbers.
Yes. First, you can add
Four.
any of this 4, 5-letter. Next, you can put 4. So 5 into 4, 20 ways. Everybody is clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody having difficulty, please tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now I am giving you time to solve the, yeah. So if at all any student is unable to do it, let's discuss. 4th question, 3-digit numbers. Repetition are allowed. The first digit 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits here. 5 here, 5 here. So 4 into 500 ways. And repetition not allowed, what will happen?
4
From
into
here,
4
4 again.
and 3.
So that became 48. So most of you have done, not most, everybody has given correct answer. Excellent. Okay, once again, I'll explain. This 6th question, there are 3 rings. Here is the first ring. It has 5 letters on each ring. That means, for example, A, B, C, D, E. 5 letters are there. So you can rotate the first ring in 5 different ways. Second ring also 5 ways. Third ring also 5 ways. So total number of positions that you can create out of 3 rings is 125 ways. But the lock will open only in one way. So there are 124 false trials. So the maximum number of false trials before the lock is opened is 124. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, once again, I'll explain. Question number 1, we can answer 2 ways. Question number 2, answer 2 ways. Question number 3, answer 2 ways. Question number 4, answer 2 ways. Question number 5, 2 ways. So total ways of answering this paper is, question 5 questions is 2 raised to 5, 32 ways. Out of 32, not all got all answers correct. So only one case is all answers correct. So 31 cases we have not all answers correct. And total number of students is 31. Is fine.
Yeah, only one possibility.
So first of all, it is a 3-digit number. All of you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's 3-digit number. The restriction is in unit place. Unit place should be 4. This is only one way we can do.
One way.
One way.
Repetition is allowed. because you will get different numbers even if you repeat it.
Hmm.
So here, what are the numbers that you can put?
9 ways, sir.
9 ways.
1, 2,
Zero.
3,
1 to
4,
9.
5, 6, 7,
1 to 9, yeah.
9. All the I can put 9 ways.
And in the middle, 10 ways.
With 10 ways. 0 can
There'll
also
be 10 because
I
0 is also
excluded
included.
0.
Huh,
So
9 into
total number
10.
of ways will be 90.
90 ways.
Yes. Majority of you have given 90 as answer. Let me check some more answers. Yes, now everybody, Mohit also, Nirme, everybody is 90. Very good. Yes, Chaitanya, Reni, Anam, Aryan, then Glevin, Kevil, Nirme, Mohit, all give correct answer. Good. Be ready for question number 9. First, case 1 we have taken. In case 1, hundreds place we put 7. So 100 place can be done only once, and no other place 7 should be there. This actually we can put 0 to 9. 10 digits are available for 10th place. But 10, all the 10 cannot come here. Only 9 can come because 7 cannot be utilized. And here
7
again,
cannot be
7 cannot
used.
be utilized. So total 9 into 9 into 1 gives you 81. So 81 cases are there where 100 place is 7. That means 700, 701, 702, 703, like that. But 7 is not repeated twice. Then came 10th place is 7. 10th place 7, only once you can do. That time, in 100th place, 0 cannot be utilized and 7 cannot be utilized. Hence, there are only 8 digits available. So this is 8. In unit place, only 7 cannot be utilized. So there are 9 digits available. So total number of arrangement, 7 in 10th place is 72. Exactly same way, in unit place also, 7 once, and others there should not be 7. So that is also 72. So total number of numbers with 7 only once is 81 plus 72 plus 72 is 225.
225.
So there should not be more than 7. That means any number should be less than 7432. Using the
Okay.
date 234. So tell me how many possible numbers. You first of all, you tell me how many possible numbers can be arranged.
So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 not.
Without repetition, no?
4,
3
It
into
can
2
be
into
arranged how
1,
many
no?
ways?
3
4 ways.
should. So
4.
7 cannot
Good
come in.
answer. This can be arranged in 3 ways,
3 and
2
2
ways,
and 1.
and 1 way. So total number will be how much? For 1224.
20.
But the question is, how many 4-digit numbers will not exceed it? So ज़्यादा नहीं होगा.
Then 3 into 2 will come in.
No, actually it will not exceed
Any
only.
number will not be exceeded. You form how
It
much
will
of
not exceed.
whatever the
Oh,
numbers
okay.
are forming that will not exceed it.
It will not
Yes.
exceed.
So what is your answer?
24.
24.
24. Okay, let me see how many of you have given the answer. Yes, Nandana has given correct answer. Pashwa has given. Yash has given. Okay. Now we go to the last set of questions. How much minute more? Yeah, I think we'll complete it. Yeah. Question number 11. If numbers are formed using digit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 without repetition, how many of them will be exceed 400? 400 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए.
No, sir.
So between 400 and 999, this one, and then again 5 times. How many will be there? So this is called 4-digit numbers. This is a 5-digit number. This is only from 400 to 999. But remember, 999 cannot be formed. So first you write 3-digit numbers greater than 400. 3-digit number greater than 400. Be careful. Those who are taking guide and answer from behind, there are questions which answers are wrong. So if you copy, I'll come to know. Because answers don't, I know some of the question answers are not matching. So 3-digit number greater than 400.
Sir, in hundreds place, you can have only two numbers, 5 and 6.
6, 5, 4, 5 and 4 भी हो सकता है ना?
Acha, हाँ, 4. It can be
32.
430.
132 is a number greater than 400.
Yes, sir.
4 भी हो सकता है. बराबर ना?
Yes. So how many ways I can? So this is 3 ways. Can be 4, 5 or 6.
6.
Here how many ways?
4 ways, sir.
1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, 5 are there. 5 से 1 चला गया, 4 ways.
4,
8 और चला गया, 3 ways.
3.
So how many are 12 into 3? 36.
36.
So 36 3-digit numbers. Now tell me 4-digit numbers. How many 4-digit numbers?
5, then 4, then 3, then 2.
This can be how many?
5.
5.
5,
5 ways,
4,
ways,
3 and 2.
3 days,
ways,
2 ways.
2 ways. How many are they?
Hold on, 120.
120 ways, sir.
20 into
ways.
6. 120. Yeah?
120.
Now 5-digit numbers.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That is 120. That's again 120.
Again 120 ways.
120.
So 5-digit number.
So you need to add all those.
Yeah.
Add all of them. So 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 way. That is also 120. So your answer is 120, 120 and 36.
276, sir.
276. Let me see how many of you have given 276. Yes, Kashish, Anam, Austin. Okay, there's previous one. Austin, Kashish, Jay Chavan. Yes, Wells Cable. Then Nirmay, Levin. Yes. Ashwa by 300 upon 300 क्यों लिखा है? 276 upon.
No, sir, not upon. I said slash. Either 300 or 276. Yes, yes.
Okay. Good. Nice of you all trying the problem. Yes. Now remaining questions you will do as homework. Okay. And that homework